Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to post carousel posts in Instagram. So that means how to post multiple posts in Instagram. It's very simple. You just have to click on the plus sign and just select your photos or videos. You can just click on this and select it like this way, and you can upload up to 10 photos or videos. So I'm going to choose like this. So now clicking on the next. So here you can choose any song by clicking on that middle music button, and also you can choose any filters here and click on next. After that, this view is visible. Now you can write here any caption or quote and choose your location, tag people and reach to audience. You can also boost your post here and share to Facebook also. So here my posts are being uploaded. Thanks for watching the video, and please comment down below for more content, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.